I think you guys are really gonna like this video. First mods for the X3M. Not only did I lower it, but I raced my buddy in his ISF, then I tuned the car, and then I raced him again, so you guys can get a real visual. And make sure to stay to the end, because I think you guys are gonna be pretty shocked with how much power this thing picked up. I gotta figure out how to do this shit again. But I don't know how to figure this shit out. There's 14 settings I gotta click before anything happens. Launch in reverse.
Oh, bitch, what?
It sounds like something clunking in the back.
Yeah, it's my diff. I launched it 40 times and it broke. I increased the freaking dunks trying to launch this thing. First run ever in this thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, here.
I get to experience it.
1, 2, 3! That was good, you gapped.
Know how I swerved?
Uh-huh.
I thought you were on my bumper. Someone fucked with my mirror and it looked like you were like right here.
Yeah, he did swerve pretty bad. You can see it in the video.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
Today we're installing lowering springs. You know how much these lower it?
7 inches. At least like 1.2 front, maybe more.
Seems like a lot.
Rear spring. Okay, I gotta get a good view of, is there a tape measure in there? I want to see wheel gap. Really hard to tell with black wheels, but there's a good gap there. You can see right here, Jake, it's 3 fingers on the front.
Okay, I guess we'll just reference by that.
And we'll see what the rear is. It's about 3 fingers, so.
It's kind of got some weight to it. Kind of weird, huh? Look at they spin.
Oh, there we go. Sweet.
Just got the fronts done. Both of them. Clean the calipers a little bit. Throw these wheels on and then start on the rear. It's just got to come up a little bit farther. Can you go up again? Okay. I think I got them all started.
I did it by hand.
All done. Drum roll. Ooh. Yeah, definitely. After I lowered it, I never really gave you guys a good look of it. So I'll try to show you right now. It's kind of hard to see in here actually. Right now me and Spencer are gonna tune the car. After that, I'll take it outside and I'll give you guys a better view of it. So yeah, apparently stage 1 adds 50 horsepower, which is insane, but that's on 93. I don't even know if we can get that around here. Aren't most pumps like 91?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sucks. We figured it out, we're about to flash. Battery chargers highly recommended. Turn headlights and fan off. It's been on for like 20 minutes. And plug the driver's seatbelt in. Gotta stay safe. Drivetrain malfunction. Oh, fuck. There are 2 ways to trigger the map switch menu. You have to press and hold down the cruise control and then use up and down. Whoa, that's sick. That's map 2, map 3. If you remember, it was 3 fingers and now it's like basically 2. 3 definitely won't fit. I don't know, I'd say it's like, it's probably like an inch lower. All right, we found 92, we got a full tank of gas. We're on map 2 right now, which is a 91 octane tune. I think that definitely feels faster.
100%.
I raced my buddy's ISF, and he beat me. So it'll be fun to rerun him now and see if there's a difference. miles faster.
Definitely.
This thing looks so much better like this. Just a little bit lower stance. It's not huge, but I think it makes it look way better. Honestly surprised at how much faster it feels. I'm excited to race Greg's car so I can actually see a reference point. All right, I met up with Greg again. We're about to run it back.
What's redemption?
No, don't call it redemption yet, because honestly, like, I still feel like I'm gonna lose. But this is revision number 1, tuned on stage 1. Next is downpipes, and then we'll start going E30 and stuff. We'll see how many times it takes.
Fuck you, Greg. I need something else.
I have to see how many times it takes for me to beat him, but we'll see. All right, time to run it back. Oh my God. Oh my God, if something didn't happen to him, this thing picked up so much. If he didn't hit limiter or spin super bad, that's ridiculous.
I gotta go, actually.
Bro, did you spin?
Did I? Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I was gonna say, 50? Okay. He's like, yeah, I spun. Bro, sorry. I got too excited.
Let's go, bro. Damn, that's a huge difference.
Bro, that's crazy.
Like, put the two clips next to each other?
Yeah.
Damn, what the
Dude,
fuck?
that's crazy.
I mean, I spun the first one, which is like...
Yeah.
It took off still, there was no chance.
I was like so shocked.
Alright,
You want to just drive it?
Can I?
Yeah. It's like, it's hard to tell on a butt dyno.
No.
But when you see the difference,
Yeah, exactly.
it's way
Now,
different.
you gave me a ride when it was stock, now this is just tuned.
Yeah.
So
now after downpipes, we'll really see.
the second one I spun just a little bit, but still, it was a lot. I'm gonna do like a...
Dude, I had an Abe reaction.
Did you catch it on film?
Hell yeah. Just because I wasn't expecting it.
We'll do a launch right here. I'm not gonna do a launch control, I'm just gonna do
just
it normally.
get on it.
Bro. Hi. Hi. What the fuck? This shit's way too fast for a fucking SUV, dude.
I know, bro.
Wow. That's with the roof rack on too.
And the tow hitch.
It's gonna be scary fast with the downpipe.
I know. It went from dud to fast.